Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So after the long time I'm making the video. So in this video I'm going to give some stock analysis which is very good to buy with the logic. I'm going to share some of the stocks. So those stocks are Infosys, Lupin, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv and DRD. These are the five stocks I'm going to analyze today's video. And before going to analysis video, so I'm going to I would just want to share my social media thing. So this is my Facebook page, and I'll give this link in the description, you can join. So if I used to post these trade setups here, so you can know, learn a lot of things in this page. From this page you can see, and this is no, trading science group. Here we have almost 1.7k members. This was the old one, so I have created these pages I have created recently. So you can see here I have updated about Infosys before the breakout. You can see Infosys how it gone. See, after the breakout almost it gave very good move, 3% move. And so you can see, and some more stocks I have given. HDFC to 2500. Now it is trading at 26, around 2600. uh, and Lalpath, I have given Lalpath for very risky traders with a small stop loss, and it at the stop loss. And PVR, if you see PVR, I have given this trade around to 1204. No, it's trading around 1300 above. And next one is Havels. I've given this trade around 1000 rupees. Now Havels is given very good move after the breakout. Let me show you. See this move. Almost our first target is reached. Almost you given 7% profits. First target, it had reached these levels, so we had booked the profit around these levels. And also, no, this is a page. And the Mindtree, you can see here Mindtree. I have updated about this, and see this after this move. After the move, see the move here. And also next, this is Escort. It got hit our reached our stop loss, so that's fine. So see the Bajaj Finance, I have updated on this. And see after this very huge move. So I used to post things like this for learning and earning purpose. And you can check out my performance accuracy here in groups. Okay guys, now we'll see the stocks. First stock I'm going to give is Infosys only. So after this breakout, you can see, after this breakout it had given very good move, almost 3.5%. Now after the rally, it had it is coming down because it can be the profit booking. So I had given the trend line, horizontal line here, red one. So this is a, let me make it thick. So this is the support zone. So exactly from this it is coming, going like it is going for to bullish. So you can draw a small trend line like this. So if it is break, let me go to 15-minute chart. So this trend line, so this is a trend line. Make sure it definitely, if you are willing to take the trade, you can take the trade if it is open inside this pattern. So stop loss you have to keep around these levels, and first target will be these levels. So let me go to 1 hour time frame. See here, this is a complete support range. Below these levels, if candle closed below this level, definitely we should exit. Okay, these should be our stop loss, and first target would be around 14 15, and second target would be 1435. Okay, this is the line, okay, which I marked with the help of previous support and resistance. Okay, uh, Infosys is for bullish. Okay, follow this trend line, follow this below trend line for the stop loss. Okay, next stock is Lupin. Lupin, if you see 1 hour time frame, so it is created cement channel, sorry, triangle. If you see Lupin here, it is created a pattern here. So if it is coming out of the loop here, is aim for upside or downside. So put a stop loss of last swing here, and this is the last swing almost. This is the last swing, and this. So if it is breaking upside momentum, you can put a stop loss here. Okay, 1200 around below 1200, and if it's breaking down, you can put a stop loss around 1220 above, and you can trade. Okay, trade accordingly. This is a very good opportunity. If it is breaks, so you can expect a very good move in looping. So next one is Bajaj Finserv. So if you see Bajaj Finserv after this breakout, it is creating a channel here. So you can see this is one of the pattern, bullish pattern. This is a flag and pole pattern. So if it is breaking these levels and closing the candle, bullish candle above this trend line, you can took up the trade, stop with a stop loss of below swing. Okay, this is good for buying. And you can see Bajaj next, Bajaj Finance. Next stock is Bajaj Finance. Yeah, see, this is a pattern it is forming here. So if it is break this pattern and closes the candle, uh, even 15 minutes also, you can see if it is closing above the candle, the 1 hour time frame is enough, it's good enough. If it is breaking and closing the candle above the trend line, you can took up the trade with a stop loss of below the swing, and you can expect 1 is to 1.5 ratio easily. Okay, around, you need to be patient for this. Okay, you need to be patient to reach the target, because patience is a very key for the success in the trading. Sure. Okay. Okay, this is a trade setup for Bajaj Finance. If it is breaking down, and you can took up the trade for selling and put a stop loss of above this level, above to 5, sorry, 58330, above 5830, and you can trade, put a target around these levels. Let me show you. So if it is breaking this level like this, okay, if you see any confirmation here, you can sell it this level, and target will be this level, and stop loss below the above the swing. So this is all almost 1 is to 1.5 ratio. Okay, the very good ratio. You can trade accordingly, either for bullish or bearish. Keep observing these stocks. Last stock is DR Ready. So if you see DR Ready, it is inside the channel. So if it is break before going to 1 hour time frame, let me show you one thing here. So from last almost September, last year September, it is trading. No, it is holding at this level. You can see it is holding at this level. Okay, after two times testing at this level, see, one time and second time and third time again, it is not coming, it didn't came down, so it is holding at this level. So probability of breaking here and going upside is very high. So what we have to observe here is, so we go for 1 hour time frame. So it is created a channel here. Sorry, it is created a channel, So you have to wait for the breakout and close the candle, let it close the candle, and then you can trade accordingly. You can put the stop loss of below this level, and you can go for 1:1.5 ratio. So if it is breaking around these levels, you can put a stop loss at these levels, and you can expect at least 1:1.5. uh, Probability is very high, it can give very good RR ratio. So see, it's a good stock for bullish. So these are five stocks for today. So keep observing these stocks. If you are not trading, also keep observing. This gives very good learning. You can learn a lot of things from this series. You can, if you want to know any stock analysis, you can ping in the comment section. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.